How to add a basic glow to a shape. Now there's a number of ways of doing this, but this is a very basic one. Just something like this. Now it doesn't actually follow the actual outline of the shape, but what you do, just quickly go over and select the custom shape tool and select the custom shape. These ones are from Graphicxtras, you can find them on the Graphicxtras website. Select it as a shape, select the colour, such as fill, we obviously red, and you can see it's a vector layer. So what you can do, go to the layers panel and then select the background. Then go to the gradient tool, just select that, and then go over to the gradients there. Just click on that and bring up the, now you want the far side on the left to be white and then the other colour to be the colour of the actual shape itself. So you can just see there just using the colour picker tool, and you can select that, and then you've got the, so you've got that red there. And of course don't have any other stops either, unless you want to, of course, but that's just a basic gradient. You could of course start with one of the presets. Click OK. Then go to that background and then just with the gradient tool selected using the radial gradient option and normal blending mode and 100% setting for opacity, just drag that out, and you can vary it. Of course, you can just apply it as many times as you want until you're happy with the actual gradient. So you can just see, you can see it goes all the way past the document, sort of makes it more diffuse there. You can just make it very close and sort of a glow behind, and about there as well. It's pretty good. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.